So what's up, everybody? I hope everybody is doing well. Listen, I just got a ring light in and I wanted to talk to you all, and I just wanted to give you all my thoughts and views on it. I think I left a couple of things out in the video, so I'm going to do it in the beginning. But one of the things I wanted to talk about is I really do like this. This light, it came from Amazon. It's called the Neweer ring light. It's really simple and easy to use. It's easy to adjust. The only thing that I have to say this, the only thing that bothered me the most is the fact that I thought I was supposed to get a case. My case didn't come with the ring light. I think it's supposed to be a case with it, but I'm not sure. The problem that I have with that is I'm a hairstylist, so I'm home, but I do travel back and forth as far as like going home, coming to the salon, going home. I want to be able to make my videos at the salon as well as make them at home. So that's the only thing that I'm not sure if I was supposed to receive one or if it was, I don't know, if it was extra. I don't know what was going on, but I'm a little upset that I didn't receive my case. But other than that, love the ring light. It is everything. I'm going to make sure that I put a link in the bottom of my video. Make sure you check it out. I really do like it. And stay tuned and enjoy my video. Booyaka, booyaka! Welcome to my channel! The ring light is here, y'all.
Just give me a light.
We about to put it together, Will.
We. She said we.
Okay. Maybe we're not about to put it together. It's gonna be nice. Hey, hey, hey. But look at that, y'all. I'm excited. So stay tuned.
Okay.
Oh yeah. By the way, y'all, Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Simple.
Gotta be careful with that.
Looks very simple. Ring light.
We're almost done, y'all. We trying to figure out this piece.
Ta-da!
Yay.
Yay.
It was pretty easy. I did a lot of work.
It was very easy. You helped. Yeah, you did good. Yeah.
Okay, now.
Ooh. Ooh. You can dim
Look,
it?
y'all, I'm messing with my light. I'm excited. Ooh, it's bright too. Let me dim this down. Okay. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Nice.
Love it.
I look a mess, y'all, but oh well. Skin popping, as always. But that's nice. I'm happy.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, y'all, so the ring light is put together, and she said I put her to work, but it was actually easy. I did a really good job.
Don't tell them all the stuff I did this weekend. Tell them everything I did this weekend.
What you do this weekend?
Tell-
Yeah, she did do a lot this weekend. She cooked. We ended up at the mailbox again. Cause my ring light came.
I grocery shop.
Grocery
guys.
shop. Y'all know I don't like going out there with the peoples. Oh yeah, y'all. She cleaned off the balcony. I'm so excited. I'm gonna sit out there later. But she cleaned it out, got rid of all the bugs, because I don't like bugs. But it's been a good Mother's Day weekend. It has. Now we're trying to figure out how to work this remote. But on a serious note, I got my ring light, and as y'all can see, it's bright. But let me just see how bright it gets. Okay, so it gets bright like the ooh, ooh, ooh. But I kind of like it here for right now because I usually do a lot of my videos at night. So I needed a ring light to help with lighting. So this is going to be truly, truly a good help when I'm recording. And this is going to work. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm excited about this. Thanks, babe, for putting it together. I need my brows did. Excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah, I think what got me in the mood is last night I watched the Erica Badu and Jill Scott on Instagram. When I tell y'all, it puts you in a whole different type of mood. Ooh, it was everything. It was nothing but positive energy. It was just nothing but, it was so uplifting, and it was just everything. I really, truly, truly enjoyed it. So this morning I woke up and I felt like dancing. I felt like dancing. And then I had a good bomb diggity bomb Mother's Day breakfast that my baby cooked for me. We have French toast, eggs, cheese eggs, bacon. I had a cup of coffee. I had pineapples and cantaloupe. It was awesome. But anyway, so I will get back to y'all. You see my son back there. He putting dishes away. Hey. But he's putting dishes away. But I'm going to be coming back because I am going to be doing a Mother's Day haul. Yes, I am. But I hope everybody is having a good Mother's Day and enjoying each other. And please, please, please continue to stay safe and take care of yourself and your loved ones. And I'll be back. And I forgot to tell you I got more stuff in the mailbox.
Guess who's going to get it?
Okay, y'all, so real quick. The other day I was supposed to do a Mother's Day haul, and I thought my items were in the mail, but they actually weren't. So I sent Jackie over there to see if anything was in the mail, and it wasn't, which I was very upset. So now I'm just still sitting here. Today is Tuesday. That haul was supposed to be done on Sunday, and I didn't get any of my packages. But what I did want to do is I wanted to show you real quick a little bit more on the ring light and some of the things on there. So let me show you real quick. Okay, so as you can see, this is the ring light. Let me stand back so you can see all the way down. And I'm going to move it a little bit. Let me turn it on for you. And it came in 3 pieces. It came in the ring, of course, and then it came in this part right here. And then we had to go in and kind of install this piece right here. It was really easy. I didn't do it, but I did help. And then down here, those legs, they spread out like that. So it came with this cord, and it actually came with 2 cords. It came with this piece right here, and you plug that into the wall, and then this piece right here. So, and the way that you turn, let me bring it to the back so you can see what the back looks like. So this is the piece that you turn it on, and you can adjust the light up and down like that. Yep, there you go. And it also, see that? This is a little bit too bright for me. So I kind of like it, what's about right there? I like it right there. And then it also came with this little remote. See that? It also came with some other pieces, but I know I'm not going to be using those. But I can't wait to use it because I'll probably use it tonight or maybe tomorrow night just to check it out and see how it works. That is my ring light. I'm so excited to use it and I can't wait. So, still a little bit too bright for me, so I'm going to turn it down some. Turn it down. There we go. But anyway, I do like it. I can't wait to start using it. I'm gonna be using it in the shop, and it's gonna give more light. It's gonna make my videos pop even more. So I can't wait. I'm really, really excited about it. Again, I hope that you all are doing well and taking care of yourselves. I'm just really excited about this light. But anyway, y'all have a good night, and subscribe to my channel, please, because there's going to be more fun videos coming out. I'm just hoping, like really, really hoping that my stuff comes in the mail. I was just so sad about it. And I was just like, ooh, please, I just want my stuff. I just want my stuff. Anyway, have a good night.